Oh, he gonna throw the ball. Are you serious? Oh, they calling the timeout. That's okay. What? Are you serious? Wow. I can't believe Dak Prescott is going for it. He gonna try to go deep for a Hail Mary. I'd love to see this, but it ain't gonna happen, player. I'm just trying to tell you. He don't got the capability. He don't got the power to do it. Kellen Moore is going for all the marbles. You think that's gonna make a difference? Oh, here we go. Back to the game. Here we go. Dak Prescott got the ball. He go for a Hail Mary. It's coming. Okay. Throw it in the air. And no. And been picked. And that did not happen. You see that? You see what just happened? He had no arm throw. Come on now, really? Cowboy, y'all is a disappointment. I told y'all was gonna lose to the Saints, just like I said. This the ball Philly is, and I'm right. I can't be wrong. Oh, Cowboy fan, I know y'all kind of upset right now. Taking it all in, soaking it all in. It's always better luck next time. He got to get that arm in right, but nope. Not enough power. That's just too bad. Woo! How does that feel, Cowboy, that y'all lost to the Saints? How does that feel right now? And Eagles is back into the cell. Thank you, New Orleans Saints. Thank you for getting the Cowboys their first loss. This is hilarious. This is a miracle. I'm just trying to tell you, Cowboy fans would definitely let you down. Cowboy would let you down. Even Kellen Moore. Come on, man. They just need to get up out of here. Cowboys, y'all gonna lose again next week against the Packers, man. Just like I said, man. Aaron Rodgers is going to do y'all dirty, man. This is Philly Ace, man. With another video. I am out, man. Comments below. Subscribe to my page. Holla at the ball Philly Ace 21, and I'm out. Peace, Dallas Cowboys fan. Y'all gonna go to sleep angry. Y'all better enjoy it while it lasted. And I'm out.